What's going on, y'all? Cody here, Carolina Custom Classics. It's a little nippy today, but we're gonna pull the seats. I got two bucket seats out the 52 Ford. We're gonna put them in my 55. I think that'd be better than the wore out bench seat that I have. I'm gonna keep it, obviously, because it is the original to my car here. But until I can have the money to have it reupholstered, I'm gonna just swap out seats, because the ones that's in the 52 ain't that bad looking, I don't think. And we'll go from there. Maybe if we don't have no rain, which it ain't calling for no rain, so I think we might can do a little video in the day, and we might check the timing in the Mercury here, if we can get that in time, and see if we not getting no more backfiring out the carb. We don't have no more backfire out the carb. Maybe it's a timing issue, which it obviously could be, but I want to make sure it ain't a valve stuck or a bent valve or something to that effect first. So that's what I got lined up for today, and y'all stay tuned. Alright, so here's the 52 Ford bucket seats. I mean, we got a little cracking going on, but nothing major. Nothing I don't think a seat cover can fix, if anything, and I mean, should be pretty simple to take out. I assume we just got 4 bolts, and they got it on some wood. I guess they must have been a little short or something, and couldn't see where the dash or something. I'm not sure what they got going on, but we have an old bottle under here. Let's see what that is. If I can get it out. Ain't that cool? What was that, 50s, early 60s Pepsi Cola bottle? That's why I love these old cars. Stuff you find in them. Yeah, keep that in the back. You know, I find them actually pretty common in these cars. I think in the 51 Ford I got, I found all kinds of goodies from a Vietnam vet. I found stuff from Vietnam and bottles, Dr. Pepper and Coke and Mountain Dew from the 50s and 60s. And yeah, but like I said, it is what it is. Got some chrome back there, and it's a little dented up. I think the passenger seat looks a little bit nicer. I don't know how good it's showing up in camera, but clean them up and get them out. But alright, I'm gonna leave y'all right here, and I might show y'all the bench seat in 55. It ain't nothing pretty, that's for sure. The springs is poking me in the ass. But alright, catch y'all later. I got to post pics on my Facebook channel, but I did order me a old-fashioned 50s scoop breather for my Holly 94 2-barrel on the 55 Ford, and I went ahead and put that on. I thought it looks pretty good and adds a little 50s hot rod effect to it. It was actually pretty aggravating to put on, really, but that's her. And have to look over my seat. I got a mess on here. That's, like I said, this is my daily driver, so that goes everywhere I go. And she's wore out, and she's got trash all over. But yeah, I think them bucket seats are looking a lot nicer. Alright. Alright, well, they're out. Found a neat little item here. It's a pin. And it has inscribed, if I can get it focused, a name on it. Okay, well, there we go. Debbie Pageant, RN, I guess registered nurse. The people that I bought the car from were Pageants, so that's pretty cool. Piece of history to the car, you know. I also An old 80s Green Giant whole corn can. And it says December 1981. Cool. Alright. That's where I found it back there. Alright, so I'm going to take these two seats, throw them in the 55. I already got the bolts off the bench seat. So, gotta hopefully line them up and get them in there and go from there. Hopefully they don't sit too low. I mean, they got wood up in here, so I mean, they could be just doing that because the bolt holes don't line up, but it could be because they sat too low. So we're gonna put them in. We're gonna see and go from there. And all right, stay tuned. Well, she's out. They're sitting in. I haven't bolted them in yet, but they're just sitting in there and just getting a feel of how everything's gonna work. Oh, sit in here. You know, we seeing good. Still need me another hood. I've been looking for one for 3 or 4 months now and ain't found one. But yeah, we in here chilling. Alright, let's get her bolted in. Well, I done worked myself into the dark. Finally got them in. Like I said, I'll probably put me on a seat cover or roll with it like it is. And tomorrow I will give you a little bit better view of it. Had to go to Lowe's and pick up some bolts. But yeah, tomorrow we'll try and see if we can get the Mercury in time and see what happens with it. I did order a fuel pump for it and it came in yesterday and everything, so yeah, stay tuned. Alright, it's even colder today, but we're gonna try and check the timing on it. I already got me a ratchet in the socket and I pulled the #1 plug. I got me a screwdriver in it and I'm gonna turn it by hand, and when the screwdriver reaches as high as it'll go and won't go no more, that's when I know I'm at top dead center. And we'll then check the cap, make sure the rotor button's facing #1 plug wire, and see how bad we're off. And if we're in time, then we probably got a bent valve. Alright, so to adjust this distributor, I'll loosen up this bolt, and then all you gotta do, find a good spot to grab it on camera, just turn it. I'm gonna have to pause it and get off camera, but you've seen it turn a little bit, and that's how we're gonna try and adjust it. Alright, y'all, thought I'd show you the finished product of the seats. About to ride over to my buddy Floyd's. After I done sat in them a couple times, they started cracking more. But, you know, that's nothing new. But, yeah, that's how they turned out. I'm gonna get them redone. Probably go black, because I'm going with the black and red theme, you know. So I'm thinking black seats and red carpet, maybe. Yeah. So anyways, that's them. That's how it turned out. Had to drill some holes to put them in, put bolts and nuts on them. The front ones was a pain in the ass. I had to use a 6-inch bolt. But yeah, that's them. Alright, y'all, about to go to work. Then got me a exhaust pipe the other day. Going to run duals on it soon with some headers, but first right now that's pretty good. I got the choke pulled a little bit right now. But yeah, couldn't get the Mercury run again, but didn't really mess with it too much. Mainly working on this one. Stay tuned for the next video. We're going to be doing head gaskets, or I might just go ahead and put them on and show you what all done or something to that effect, and we'll figure something out. But yeah, she's about to get valve covers and gaskets and all kinds of little goodies. But alright, I'm off to work. I appreciate y'all for watching. Y'all stay good and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me a lot. Thank you.